One mystery kept scientists quiet for ages. Why do so many science creators love saying scientists were stunned into silence? Honestly, I say it too. In 2019, a scientist did the math, lost it, quit on the spot, and went home to farm. So what did he calculate? He'd worked out a truth nobody wanted to face. If humanity tried to cross just 1 light year, it would burn through 50 years of global GDP, bankrupt the planet, and still send only one person on a one-way trip. Worse, he'd be aboard for 17,000 years. Relativity might make it feel like just a few decades, but when he arrived, humanity back on Earth could already be a different species.
So if a probe finds aliens 1 light year away, what then?
The moment we spot aliens 1 light year away, humanity has already lost. That's the universe's hidden countdown to death. If we can see their light, that light has spent a full year crossing space, which means they saw us a year ago. If they can travel between stars, then by the time we notice them, their probes, or even their fleet, may already be on its way to Earth. A light year was never a safe distance. It's a death row countdown for an exposed civilization. Most people don't grasp how terrifying those words are. Light travels 300,000 kilometers a second. In one blink, it circles Earth's equator 7.5 times. And yet, at that insane speed, it still takes a full year to cover 1 light year, 9.46 trillion kilometers. Numbers that huge feel meaningless, so let me put it in human terms. If you drove at 120 kilometers an hour, pedal to the floor, no food, no sleep, sat out the whole way, 1 light year would take 9 million years. Your car would die 1.8 million times. Humanity would pass through 9,000 generations. That's the true scale of a light year.
What about our fastest spacecraft? Isn't the Parker Solar Probe the fastest thing humans have ever built?
The Parker Solar Probe is the fastest machine humans have ever built. At 195 kilometers a second, it could fly from Beijing to Shanghai in just 6 seconds. Absurdly fast. And yet, at that top human speed, crossing 1 light year would still take 1,537 years. That's long enough for dynasties to rise, flourish, collapse, and turn over again. The bitter irony is that this speed we're so proud of is only 0.65% of light speed, not even 1%. Light year. Every spacecraft humanity has ever built is basically standing still, and the really painful part is, this wall isn't just ours. Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to our solar system, seems close at just 4.2 light years away, but at humanity's current top speed, it would still take a full 630 years to get there, long enough for Qin Shi Huang to unify the 6 states twice over. On a cosmic scale, it's even more hopeless. The Milky Way is a full 100,000 light years across. Even if you somehow hit the ultimate limit, light speed, crossing the galaxy would still take 100,000 years. And light speed is the universe's speed limit, an iron law that cannot be broken.
No wonder the night sky never feels quite real. Everything we see is the past.
Exactly. We can never see the universe as it is right now. 借代情境 James Webb photographed the galaxy 个惊鹏的4 billion light years away. When that light set out, Earth didn't exist. No dinosaurs, no humans, not even a trace. The sun you're seeing right now is the sun from 8 minutes ago. Polaris is how it looked 430 years ago. Andromeda is a snapshot from 2.54 million years ago. The entire night sky is ancient afterimage, old light from a dead past. And scarier than distance is Einstein's curse, time dilation. People think near light speed travel freezes time, but cheat code into the future. In reality, it's the universe's cruelest cage. Fly to a planet 10 light years away and back. To you, the trip might feel like a blink, or a few decades. But when you land, 200 years have passed on Earth. Your family, friends, and lover are dust, names on graves. You endured a short interstellar journey only to become completely homeless. So physicists say light speed isn't humanity's gift, it's civilization's ultimate prison. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, has flown for 47 years and cost 30.5 billion kilometers. That sounds impressive, but it's only 0.002 light years, not even 1% of the way out of the solar system. Most people don't know, the real edge isn't the 8 planets, it's the Oort cloud surrounding them, with a radius of about 1 light year. For Voyager 1 to truly leave the solar system, it still needs 17,000 years. By then, human civilization may already have vanished into the cosmic river.
So is there no way for us to break through? What about breakthrough starshot, warp drives, wormholes? Do none of them work?
Even our wildest ideas get pinned down by physics. breakthrough starshot would push tiny probes to 20% light speed and reach Proxima Centauri, but it needs a 10 square kilometer laser array costing $5 billion. The killer is this: at 20% light speed, even a speck of cosmic dust, even one atom, would hit like a bomb. The probe would vaporize, zero margin for error. Then there's the sci-fi favorite, the warp drive. Squeeze space in front, stretch it behind, ride a space-time bubble faster than light. But the math says powering it would take Jupiter's entire mass converted into pure energy. Everything humanity controls today is not even close to a tenth of that. It's pure fantasy. Finally, wormholes supposedly let you jump across whole galaxies in an instant, but for now, they're only mathematical guesswork. In reality, they probably don't exist, and even if they did, they'd be atom-sized, wildly unstable, and would collapse shut at once. You couldn't pass through them, and it gets worse. The universe is still accelerating. Distant galaxies are racing away from us faster than light, so their light will never reach us. They've left the human observable universe completely. We're trapped forever inside a cosmic bubble 46.5 billion light-years across, never seeing what lies beyond.
So vast light-year distances aren't just measurements, they are the life or death line the universe draws for every civilization.
Exactly, the universe may be full of civilizations, but every one of them is cut off by light years and by the iron law of light speed. Each looks up alone, wondering if it is the only life in existence. No civilization can simply visit another, or come to another's rescue. Physics has turned every intelligent species into an island. 1 light year is the first barrier the universe set for humanity, and its coldest warning. We can look up at the stars and dream of reaching them, but we can never truly touch that distant horizon. And that is what makes humanity so precious, and so tragic. We know the universe has caged us. We know the road may be hopeless, that light years are walls we may never cross. Still, we haven't stopped looking up. We haven't stopped exploring. We haven't stopped asking. Again and again we try to break through, picture the future, and reach into deep space. Not because we're sure to succeed, but because humanity refuses to bow to fate. Even if we never cross that wall of light years, we will still stand here and look to the stars. The universe can trap our bodies, but never our courage to look up.